Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Yeah. Just want to say Happy New Year to everybody who subscribe. Big up the viewers them who haven't subscribed yet. Across the world. Africa, America, Canada, England, Jamaica, and the rest of the Caribbean islands them. Big up on yourself, you know. And the rest of Europe also. Big up on yourself. Appreciate the support. So last year was nice. This year gonna be nicer. It's gonna be nicer, right? Yeah. This is my first reaction for 2022 because I've been sick since the last reaction. Them been sick. I know COVID. Don't worry yourself. All right, you know. Take me test. I'm good. Yeah. Just been sick out with the flu. So today we are react to Central Cee retail therapy. So I'm gonna jump in that one here and see what I go on. I'm still not 100 as you can hear. I'm quite stuffy, but I'm good, you know. I'm good, you know. So I can jump in that one and see what I go on. Let's go.
You are now listening to 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Nostalgia. You are now listening to 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Nostalgia.
Them are bad. Me would have rocked them. No, like them Air Force they bad. The color alone, brother, sick. I love bright colors. Nice.
Fly up town when I'm feeling down. I wanna do retail therapy.
Cause I can. I want the retail therapy because I can. I don't have to worry about my bank account. You see me? I don't have to worry about this. I can just go in the shop and just take up something and just go to the shopkeeper or somebody working in the shop and say, yo, sell me this. Not tell me the price. You see 18 grand on it, not tell me the price. That's what I saw me want to live. Yeah.
Be with the gang all week, I need some female energy.
Yeah.
Suck my soul, I lost my breath, she got me breathing heavily. Toxic relationship, my queen, but me and the T got chemistry.
Guys, don't mind the steering wheel. You know, they think this is for my driving game that I play. So don't mind it.
Breath, she got me breathing heavily. Toxic relationship, my queen, but me and the T got chemistry. Told her that I'm a Gemini, now she on Google checking the compatibility. She wanna see if I got the agility. She wanna see if I got the ability.
Enough girls always do that. You're telling me a star sign and straight away them go so boom and check it up to see if them star sign match with your one. No, it a match, but my body match with your pom. Yes, that match. Make we do the I never come to say. Let's continue.
I went round 3, she went round 4, she killing me. ADHD, my trigger finger fidgeting. I feel like I need amphetamine.
ADHD, yo, line, bar.
My trigger finger fidgeting. I feel like I need amphetamine. We had a party ton of the MDMA and ketamine. My bro get a box and step on their gang, make money off rock Led Zeppelin. One call away from a tent and take one call and they get to Steppers. The band all hostile, but if it weren't for the trap house, I'll be popped down. Of course, I would've made an M1 tour last year if it weren't for the lockdown. They wanna fuck from a tent and take one call and they get to Steppers. The band all hostile, but if it weren't for the trap house, I'll be popped down. Of course, I would've made an M1 tour last year if it weren't for the lockdown. They
Man say wouldn't make a M last year. Yo, if it wasn't for the lockdown, dog, brother, the lockdown did wonders for some people last year. No joke. The lockdown made me create this channel. The lockdown made me create my gaming channel. The first lockdown made me create my gaming channel, dog. Like the lockdown made me start streaming and just buy my whole setup. The lockdown do that. You see me? So the lockdown has done brilliant things for people, dog. No joke. Yo, big up no, fuck you lockdown, man, I big you up. Move and go. Cut!
When the fuck now, we got the top down, what out when we had a beat down Honda. Shout out FK, I had no sponsor, most of my team from the West, no thunder. Fly up town when I'm feeling down, I wanna do retail therapy. Be with the gang all week, I need some female energy.
Sure.
Suck my soul, I lost my breath, she got me breathing heavily.
Man say, in bed with the gang all week, right now, he want some female company. Not all G, but when they on the road can say them thing, they admit them thing, because some of them look at them afraid for go chill with them girl. Brother, no go chill with the girl. Go chill with the girl. What if a man them? No, dog. Go chill with the girl, dog. Yeah.
Weak, I need some female energy. Suck my soul, I lost my breath, she got me breathing heavily.
Suck him soul, him lost him breath. The girl have him breathing heavily. She giving you the Ockens, my G. The Ockens.
Toxic relationship, my queen, but me and the T got chemistry. Told her that I'm a Gemini, now she on Google checking the compatibility. She wanna see if I got the agility, she wanna see if I got the ability, huh? I went round 3, she went round 4, she killing me, huh? ADHD, my trigger finger fidgety. Walking wardrobe look like a stockroom. Mum said I'm materialistic, when you're the boss that shit will cost. I'm buying my mumsy a crib for Christmas. I'm living
big moves, big business. Big move, big business. The man said, I'm buying mother a crib for Christmas. Mama, big up yourself with the new crib. Christmas gone already. Big up yourself. Central Cee, big up yourself.
ADHD, my trigger finger fidgety. Walking wardrobe look like a stockroom. Mum said I'm materialistic, when you're the boss that shit will cost. I'm buying my mumsy a crib for Christmas. I'm living a movie but it ain't scripted, God is my witness, get out my business. Back in the day I had one pair of trainers, I wore that shit till it gave me blisters, None of my cats had whiskers, G check that if it stays familiar. I went OT and I came back skinnier.
None of my cats has whiskers. You know, talk about the meow cat them. No, the cat them, the fiend them, the on the road that do that. We're high all the while, a theme cat them there. Them they're theme cat.
None of my cats had whiskers, G check that if it stays familiar. I went OT and I came back skinnier. Pirates popular white like Nivea. Time zone getting annoying, I'm half asleep and getting a call from Australia. 2 tour buses, I'm doing up road, one clean, one full up of paraphernalia. Fly up town when I'm feeling down. I wanna do retail wear. Be with the gang all week. I need some female energy. Suck my soul, I lost my breath. She got me breathing heavy. Toxic relationship, my queen, but me and the T got chemistry. Told her that I'm a Gemini, now she on Google checking the compatibility. She wanna see if I got the agility, she wanna see if I got the ability, huh? I went round 3, she went round 4, she killing me, huh? ADHD, my trigger finger fidgety. Fly up when I'm feeling down. Fly up when I'm feeling down. I wanna do retail therapy. I wanna do retail therapy.
Bucklat. Buy out the bar, don't be no scuminar. Yes, my G. Buy out the whole shopping at that. Tennessee, I have new album. Yo, big up the G, big up Central. Central don't miss. Central don't miss. Central never miss. Central never miss. Central dep on top of him game right now. Central in prime. Central Cee, big up yourself, my G. And big up the whole team. You see me? Because for you be this focused and successful, yes, it's something to do with you, but it's also to do with your team too. So big up your team, G. You see me? Big up Mamsy with our new crib. Not a house, crib. Crib bigger than a house, trying with that. Guys, this is how we're gonna leave one. If you enjoyed the one, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around it if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Alright? Yeah? Alright, peace.